and we are going to be moving stage by stage. So the next step is my overview. This is a unit overview containing everything that the lesson entails. I arrange it in this way. Week 1, the introduction to solar energy basic measurements. Week 2, geometry in solar oven design. Week 3, the text. Week 3 is algebraic expressions in solar oven design. Then week 4 is solar oven construction and testing. That is a proper engineering design of solar oven. Is to be done during week 4. And if you look at it, you see we're having 8 lessons in order to be able to achieve this goal of designing solar oven. And if you look at solar oven, you see it embraces the techniques in geometry as well as techniques in algebra, because the body makeup of the solar oven is made up of different shapes. I'll show you the pictures. Then, when you come to temperature usage, then there is where you see some equations, equation of temperature. So let's go. So, solar oven design, a mathematics unit with integration, with STEM integration. So this the class, the lesson is meant for grade 7, and the lesson is 45 minutes per class. And the goal, a driving question is, how does inclusion of a practical engineering unit, such as designing a solar oven in a 7th grade geometry class, influence students' understanding, application, and perception of mathematical concepts within the context of integrated STEM education? Then our goal is students will explore mathematical concepts in the design, construction, as well as optimization of solar ovens, integrating mathematics into STEM education. Next is our rubric. We have, for mathematics, we have 30 marks. And STEM integration will have 20 marks. Overall is 50 marks. The lessons are outlined as follows, but I'm just going to be listing them one after the other. Then at the end of the time, I will now go straight to the lesson. So let me run it over again. The lesson 1 is introduction to solar energy. That's why you see standards, you see objective, you see vocabulary, materials, grading. Then come to activities, they outline there. Lesson 2, measurement of basis of for solar oven design. Then we have standards, we have objectives, we have vocabulary, we have materials, and also we have grading. Activities follow. Then we have lesson 3, geometry of solar oven designs. Then activities, we have week 4 activities. Then we have week 5, and all the rest of the things that will be done in week 5. Then we have week 6, we have week 7, then week 8, which is the last week. Then we now come to the main lesson, because the reason why I am rushing is that we have to do some practical works. That's why I'm trying to move straight to our lesson. I didn't want to just go and start rehearsing the procedures and preparing the lesson plan. So now, I want everyone to do a small work. The first stage is that you are going to draw and describe any type of cooking device you know, then mention the food you can cook with it. So you can start doing that now. Draw any kind of cooking equipment you know or you have used before. Briefly, about 5 minutes. Then we discuss the type of equipment, mention the equipment, then the food you can cook with the equipment. About 5 minutes. I will start with the first person after 5 minutes.
Do we need to